if you drive a Chevy Colorado, you might, with the stick shift, you might realize that occasionally you'll be like at a stoplight fidgeting and the stick shift will pop out. To get this off, all you do is you grab here, pop that up, grab here, pop that up, full assembly, right off. There was a service bulletin for this issue to remove shift lever, add thread locker, and reinstall. I actually didn't have issues with it until I had the service bulletin done. But now we're here, and what I did was I went and got some thread locker. I got the multi-pack, but I'm going to use the red because apparently this thing is just going to wiggle its way out. And, so to begin, I'm going to take a 3/16, right? Yep. 3/16 hex and back this out. What it is it's just a little set screw. I mean, a big set screw. It's just a grub screw. It probably is supposed to be a metric thread, but or a metric socket. I don't have those. I mean, my metric ones go from 4 to 5, and neither one fit. So 3/16 works pretty good, and it's just a slot machine shaft. Grub screw. It keeps it from popping back out, but apparently they get chewed up. See how it's shiny here on that side? That's more worn than the other sides, and it hopefully it still holds, just isn't holding nice and tight. So pull this up a little bit, my fingers, and then add some good old red Loctite. it's already been redone by the dealership once. I'm not going back in here. See, I'm wiggling the stick. There's a little dimple in there, and you gotta get it lined up inside there. If you don't wiggle around, it's not seeming to slide in where I want it. But as I wiggle it around, I'm able to tighten it better already, because I used to. I'm pulling on it. It's not going anywhere. Snugging it up. You don't want to go too tight. I assume. I don't know. I'm not a professional. Pretty tight. It's not going anywhere. The slack's gone. Don't go down because that's the reverse lockout. Here, slide it into third gear. I think she's good. Wiggle it around just because I used to be able to just dislocate it like that. Let's see if we can't give it another turn. Yep, that's about as tight as I'm going to get that without stripping her out. So. Flip down so that this little boot is nice because on the old S10 this would slide down. There was no insulation here. Isolate the cabin from the road. Slide it down. It just snaps right back in.